Alright, imagine unlocking your next Samsung phone in a crowded place and not worrying at all about who's peeking at your screen. Because Samsung might be cooking up something very clever for its next Ultra flagship. And the leaks around the Galaxy S26 Ultra are getting kind of wild. So here's what just quietly showed up. Samsung has updated its official Good Lock pages, and hidden inside those details is an early look at features coming with One UI 8.5. And one leaked screenshot, reportedly taken straight from a Galaxy S26 Ultra, shows something completely new sitting right inside the quick settings panel. A brand new toggle called Privacy Display. The icon alone tells a story. It's a phone with a shield on the screen, which pretty much confirms this isn't just another software trick. This looks like a proper system-level privacy feature, and most likely something Samsung is reserving exclusively for its next Ultra phone. The idea here is actually very futuristic. Using advanced OLED display hardware, Samsung seems to be working on a way for you to see your screen clearly, while people around you see basically nothing useful. What makes this even more interesting is how deep Samsung is going with the software side. You won't just flip this on and off manually. You'll be able to automate it. You can set it so the privacy display turns on automatically when you open specific apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or anything with sensitive information. That means your screen locks itself down exactly when it matters, without you having to think about it. If this works the way it sounds, it could be one of the biggest real-world privacy upgrades we've seen on a smartphone in years. Now, while all of that is happening on the software side, the hardware leaks are coming in hot too. Hands-on images of what's claimed to be a Galaxy S26 Ultra dummy unit have started going viral, shared by Saudi Android. Samsung hasn't confirmed anything yet, but the level of detail here makes these very hard to ignore. The biggest change? The cameras. Instead of the separate floating camera rings we've seen on recent Ultra models, the S26 Ultra appears to switch to a single, clean camera module. 3 cameras are grouped together on a slightly raised platform, and honestly, it looks a lot more refined. Even more interesting is how familiar this design feels. It looks extremely similar to what Samsung is already doing with its foldables like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and even the Trifold device. That's a big hint that Samsung is trying to unify its design language across all of its premium phones. The rest of the body looks flat and sharp, sticking to that modern industrial Ultra vibe. And yes, before you ask, the S Pen slot is still there. Stylus support isn't going anywhere, which keeps the Ultra exactly where it belongs in Samsung's lineup. Then we move on to colors, and this is where things get a bit flashy. One of the most reliable leakers out there, Evan Blass, has now revealed what could be the final color lineup for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. According to him, the phone is expected to launch in 6 different colors. Black and white are back, obviously, but joining them are sky blue and cobalt violet, with cobalt violet reportedly being Samsung's main hero color for marketing. The kind of color you'll see in ads, billboards, and launch videos. On top of that, there's silver shadow, which sounds like a refined metallic gray, and pink gold, which is expected to be very similar to the soft titanium pink gold we saw on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Subtle, premium, and clearly aimed at people who want their phone to feel more like jewelry than a gadget. And if you're wondering whether the Galaxy S26 series is even real at this point, Samsung may have already confirmed it by accident. An official promotional page from Samsung Colombia has surfaced, listing eligible devices for upcoming offers. And right there in the document is the full Galaxy S26 lineup, including the base model, Plus, and the Ultra. Spotted by SamMobile, this pretty much locks in the existence of the entire series ahead of launch. Finally, another design leak comes from case renders shared by tipster Mohammed. These cases show a raised camera plateau on the back of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, once again matching the design direction we're seeing on Samsung's foldables. There's even a hint at a white marble-style color variant, which could look absolutely stunning if Samsung pulls it off. So between a next-gen privacy display, a refined camera design, bold new colors, and Samsung clearly tightening its premium design language, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a serious evolution, not just another yearly refresh. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay ahead of all the Galaxy S26 leaks as they drop, make sure you're subscribed. More updates are coming fast, and trust me, this phone is just getting started. I'll see you in the next one.